Hi and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat One channel. It looks like American Girl brand is about to surprise us again. We just got a pretty fantastic release, the historical release, and it looks like we have another release around June 2nd. Remember, there's a private shopping event that was advertised and it said that it would allow people to purchase new merchandise. Anyway, it looks like we're getting something else that's pretty awesome. It looks like we get an adult-sized American Girl costumes. How cool is that? Remember those American Girl outfits that were in girl sizes? And a lot of people are kind of hunting them down right now in sizes, in largest sizes, so they could wear them themselves, so they could cosplay as their favorite American Girl character. Now, we might be able to purchase them, not on the secondary market. Oh, and I just love this image. This girl must have had so much fun during the photo shoot, and she has so much personality. If you'd like to find out more about it, keep watching this video. And if you are new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. So first of all, I'd like to thank the Instagram user Angie Bell. She's well known and well respected, and rightfully so, in the American Girl collecting community, and she's also a big Disney fan, so check out her account. And she also has a YouTube channel. I'll put the links to both of them in the description box as well. As I said, feel free to check her out. She found this post on Ruby's Costume Company. And this happened on this company's official Instagram account. They basically announced that they are releasing official American Girl costumes this year. American Girl coming soon. Step into a world of nostalgia with our official American Girl costumes. We're thrilled to announce cherished memories for the big kids at heart and creating new ones for the next generation. Stay tuned for the big reveal. And by the way, they also announced the official House of the Dragon costumes, so if you are a fan, Ruby's Costume Company making those costumes too. So Ruby's Costume Company did not say that they make an adult Halloween costumes, but it says for the big kids at heart. So it really sounds like they are adult costumes, right? On their Instagram, it says that they are the world's largest designer and manufacturer of costumes and accessories. And if you go on their website, you can see that they have a lot of different costumes. They're not like super cheap costumes. I don't know if they are deluxe or like super high quality costumes. Some of them look better than others. And for example, this witch costume, it definitely uses costume fabrics. Considering these are called costumes, I'm not going to set my expectations too high, and I'm not going to expect the same quality as American Girl used to provide in the past. They're probably not going to be that high of a quality, although who knows? Let me know in the comments if you have any experience with Ruby's Costume Company products and what kind of quality they provide. I'm really curious to find out. As for who we might get, my guess would be we'd get the original 6. And this is an ongoing theme for American Girl. They are definitely targeting millennials. And millennials are adults now. They have their own disposable income. And, you know, if American Girl reminds them how much they love the brand, how much they love the dolls, how much they love to dress up as their dolls, they can come back to the hobby as adults. They can become collectors. They can purchase American Girl stuff for their own kids. You know, there's a lot of money to be made from this particular target audience. American Girl might test the waters and release just the original 6 meat outfits. And remember, these are licensed, so American Girl is not risking much. And American Girl will see how those costumes sell, and they'll go from there. Maybe we'll get more than the original 6, who knows? Let me know in the comments which characters you'd love to see. I believe that if American Girl decided to make these outfits in adult sizes out of quality fabrics, there's definitely demand for them because people are looking for them on the secondary market to cosplay. And a lot of the pieces are neutral enough to be worn every day. Pretty much everything from Molly's wardrobe or this summer dress from Kirsten's collection. Listen, if I can purchase something that looks like this and wear it every day, and if I could also use it as a part of cosplay, I would definitely be willing to pay well over $100 if it's made out of quality materials. And I know I'm not alone. I would love to hear your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Would American Girl costumes be something that you would like to purchase? Several people asked Ruby's costume company on their Instagram page if there are larger sizes. And Ruby's costume company hasn't answered these questions yet. And I'm really hoping there are larger sizes because American Girl collectors do come in all sizes. And everybody deserves to get a costume if they want to. And now let me share a new 18-inch doll item with you. It's My Life as Peanuts Picture Day Fashion Pack. It retails at $13. It is available at some Walmart stores, and it's also available online at walmart.com. I will put the link to this outfit in the description box below in case some of our viewers would like to purchase one for themselves. I have purchased it online already, and it should arrive tomorrow. So as soon as it does, I will definitely make an unboxing video for you so you could decide if you'd like to purchase it. The shoes are plastic, and I can already tell that the socks are made out of super cheap material that's going to snag just like that. But it is a super cute design. If you're a Peanuts fan, or if you're not that big of a Peanuts fan, but you just love cute outfits for 18-inch dolls, this one is so cute. I just love it. Did you notice there is Snoopy's face on the socks? So adorable. I just can't. So cute. I had to purchase it. And My Life as brand often gets great licensing deals. They had a deal with Hello Kitty. They had a Grinch doll, which was super, super adorable. And now this Peanuts collab. I'm really hoping that we will get more outfits from Peanuts because this one is just so adorable. And there's so many more that I would like to buy. And if they made a Peanuts doll, I would purchase that too probably, just for the outfit like I did with the Grinch doll. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to us, you should definitely do so. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.